Monitoring ROI is the biggest challenge when working with influencers. With 1 in 4 marketers already using influencer marketing, Commission Factory's goal is to make it easier than ever for brands to measure the ROI in a cost-effective and seamless manner. Introducing Commission Factory's Influencer Hub, your all-in-one destination to discover, connect and collaborate with the most influential content creators across a range of different social platforms. Easily view a snapshot of each influencer's reach, recent activity and audience demographics. No more digging through multiple platforms to find the perfect match. You can use Commission Factory's in-platform suite of reports to measure the impact of your campaigns in real time, check performance metrics and gain valuable insights to optimize your influencer marketing strategy alongside your affiliate partnerships. Ready to take your affiliate programs to the next level? Whether you're a global enterprise or a local brand, the Influencer Hub is designed for everyone.